She's the only girl who I really look up to. Like, she's slightly older than me, but somebody had a friend of mine actually confronted me and they were like, aren't you doing a Yash Raj film? So I was like, no, I don't know. I was working on a short film with some really theatre actors who've done a lot of work, and I would see all of them, like, you know, just before the shoot could start, get into a zone, listen to songs, and obviously they had their method of preparing, and that's when I got all the attention. So I was very happy. So I told them, I said, see, there's nothing, but I'm loving this. So let's let's have a nice conversation. And so yeah, it kind of made me very happy at that moment. Talk to me when I'm hungry. Like, I don't like it. I get pissed off that if I'm hungry, don't talk to me. Just till the time I don't eat, don't speak to me. I think that's... Hi, this is Aisha Ahmed and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Aisha, you know, we feel that we should have a segment with you that can really bring that entertainer out of you. So let's have, in your first interview itself, let's have your first rapid fire as well.
Okay, cool. Okay. Oh my God, this is the... Okay.
No, it's not a tricky thing, okay, but you just have to enjoy yourself.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so rapid fire with Aisha Ahmed. An actor you consider the future of Indian cinema, apart from yourself?
Apart from myself. You know, I don't want to be technically right, and I don't want to take names of somebody that people have already seen. I really feel this from the bottom of my heart. There's a friend of mine. She is, her name is Muskan Jafri. She's an actor, and she's the only girl who I really look up to. Like, she's slightly older than me, but I think she's gonna do great. But in the famous sort of names, and I think Vineet is somebody who I think is gonna... Vineet, and also Sana Malhotra, if I'm
Sania Malhotra.
Sania Malhotra, yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. But yeah, these two people who I really think are very promising, and they're gonna do really, really great. Yeah.
Apart from Aisha Ahmed. Okay, the best rumor that you have heard about yourself?
Best rumor? It's so sad. I don't hear rumors about myself even in my friend circle. But I'm not that famous to have rumors yet, sadly. But no, somebody had a friend of mine actually confronted me and they were like, aren't you doing a Yash Raj film? So I was like, no, I don't know of it yet. So they were like, no, we were all talking about it and discussing it. It's so nice with you. I said, I have no idea. So I think that's the best rumor I've heard. Like.
Okay, that's not a bad rumor either to start with.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the strangest thing that you have done to prepare for a role? Like, this is your only film that you have done, but I'm sure that you're doing stuff for your digital platforms as well. So
the strangest thing would be, when I started acting, I was 16 and a half. So that's when, you know, I'd seen some really brilliant actors, and I was working on a short film with some really theatre actors who've done a lot of work, and I would see all of them, like, you know, just before the shoot could start, get into a zone, listen to songs, and obviously they had their method of preparing. I had no clue how it happened, so I just like sat in a corner, started crying when I didn't need to cry, just like put myself in this situation, and then when I had to act, I realized what was I doing? Like, I have no idea of the method. So I think that was very strange. Just because everybody's doing it, I should also like get into a zone and do things. I think that was quite funny.
Right. If you could be invisible, which actress would you stalk?
Alia Bhatt. Any day.
Right.
Like, I would start living with her. Like, I think she's fabulous.
Alright, this is, you have to say that whether it is true or false.
Okay.
Okay. Got so drunk that threw up on my friend.
False.
Okay. Said yes to a film without reading the script.
Yes. True. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Told my ex that we should go out on a date again.
False. No. Once done, it's over.
Okay. Two-timed in a relationship.
False.
Get hit on by the same sex.
True. Yeah, it's quite interesting.
Would you like to share something with us?
No, I had actually gone for a LGBTQ parade that happened. I think last year I was there. I was very sad initially, like, you know, nobody's like, no girls are like hitting on me and this and that. And then I went for a party post that, and that's when I got all the attention. So I was very happy. So I told them, I said, see, there's nothing, but I'm loving this. So let's let's have a nice conversation. And so yeah, it kind of made me very happy at that moment. Yes.
Okay. Went on a Tinder date?
No, I'm not on Tinder.
Hated my co-actor but pretended to like him?
Yes. Sorry. I mean, it happens with everybody. I mean, it's yeah, no stories to be shared.
No, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. If you wrote a book on Bollywood, it will be titled?
If I wrote a book on Bollywood, that would be titled everything that glitters is not gold. I
Oh,
think that should
that's
be-
interesting.
Yeah, that's a Shakespeare thing that I think.
So you like to read? Are you like a...
I wasn't till a very long time.
Hmm.
I would read like one book in a year types, but now I've started and I'm actually really enjoying it. I think now, but I'm still not a reader. I would like to
Okay.
read.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. A movie that made you cry.
Every movie makes me cry. Anything I watch will make me cry. Like I am like all my friends. They never ask me for reviews of films because even if if two people are in love and they're having a good time, I will cry thinking that something bad is going to happen. Like this is not how it's gonna end. So.
Interesting. You are quite a drama queen.
Yeah.
Okay. A recent film that you saw that you loved.
I watched this film called Get Out just recently. It's brilliant.
What is the easiest way to piss you off?
Talk to me when I'm hungry. Like I don't like it. I get pissed off that if I'm hungry, don't talk to me. Just till the time I don't eat, don't speak to me. I think that's would be
Okay. Coolest Khan, SRK, Salman or Amir?
any day. Shah Rukh Khan. Like I think he's so cute. Like I absolutely like I love all three of them in like their different this thing. But I think Shah Rukh Khan would be
Okay.
the best.
Okay. If not acting, what would Aisha Ahmed will be doing?
I actually have no idea. Like I think I wanted to be a lawyer when I was a kid. Before that, I wanted to be a pilot. But since like I've never been one of those who would watch something on screen and dance to it and and think that I'm going to be an actor one day. But I think I was in 8th or 9th standard where I realized what I think acting is what I want to do, and since then that's what it's been.
Okay. At a party, who would be doing the following amongst the B-Town celebrities? Let's get you into trouble.
Yes.
At a party, who would be doing the following things amongst the B-Town celebrities? Flirting.
Ranveer Singh. Like I would love if he walks up to me and flirts with me. Like
Okay. Gossiping.
Kareena Kapoor. Like I think. I can't remember.
Okay. Dancing on the table.
Dancing on the table. I think I would say Ranveer again, but I think Anand Tiwari. Not celebrity, but he's a director. So I
Right.
think we kind of like and an actor, but yeah. I'm just
Okay.
playing safe because I'm like
You already given the Kareena Kapoor answer.
yeah, but I would love to gossip with her. Like I would love it if I make it that big one day that I sit with Kareena Kapoor and gossip in life. I
Correct.
think that's so.
Okay, you arrived.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 4 a.m. on a Saturday night. Why are you awake, Aisha Ahmed?
I'm awake at 4 a.m. every night. I think it's
Okay.
the thing is my mom also sleeps really late and all my friends sleep late, so I'm always awake. Like even if I have to shoot next morning, like last night also I was up till 4, although I had to come here, which is not right. I'm not promoting like bad lifestyle, but it's just me. So, I think
Okay, a fictional character that you would love to play.
a fictional character that I would love to play. That's a tough one because there's so many. But it could be from like animated films or anything.
Yeah.
I think Dory would be one of it. There would be Dory. It would be Alice from Alice in the Wonderland in the animated series. It would be. I would love to be one of those in King Julian's like sidekick in I've forgotten the name of the film. Perfect. Like I'm messing it up brilliantly, but Madagascar. So King Julian's like sidekick. Like I would love to play all these tiny little creatures in like animated films. I think that would be it.
That's interesting. Finally, where do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
In 10 years. So I think I will have a very, very happy life. I will kind of make it in my own sense of like I think I would have done films that I really want to do. I think that good mix between commercial and kind of indie and yeah, I want to be married. I think in 10 years I would like to get married and yeah, I want to make a very big house for my mother and make her travel the world. I think that would be it. Yeah, that's in 10 years.
Okay, so that's interesting. So you have the entire plan ready, which is wonderful.
Yeah.
And I think you're meant for movies. the
Yes,
sort of flair
thank
for
you.
drama that you have, which comes rather naturally. So, congratulations on your first film, and
Thank
we hope
you
that it
so
does well
much.
and your work is appreciated.
Thank you.
And thank you for being on Bollywood Hungama. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this. Thanks a lot.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Aisha Ahmad and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.